Welcome back to How to TV on our new series on Pantheon, and we're going to spin our new website on WordPress, and we're going to utilize the Terminus. And yeah, we always create our Pantheon environment on Drupal. Now we're going to do that in WordPress. And how are we going to do that? So let's go. Okay, so we're here right now with my terminal, but of course we're not doing our Linux crash course series. We're going to open our Pantheon documentation because this is where we're going to do the steps on how to deploy or create our sites from the scratch by using Terminus. So this is the documentation. So we're going to use this what the documentation here. Okay, so as we're going, if you missed the recent video that we have on how to set up and install Terminus, you can also check that on my other videos. Okay, and now we're going to do this, our first step. But of course he said here that you can also check here this how to create a website, WordPress website in guidelines, in the guides, and here is the documentation. So create a WordPress site with Terminus and WordPress CLI. Okay, the prerequisite here is you need to have Terminus installed. Like I said, you can also check that in my last video, and you have an account. You also generate your machine token, and you can also check that what site that you already created there, because in Pantheon you have only 2 slot on creating a website. So right now I do have 1 slot on creating website. That's why I'm going to do this WordPress series. Okay, and let's move on. So I'm going to copy this command to here, but we need to change somewhere here in our parameter, because it's the machine name. So I'll go with WordPress, and then this is the name. Okay, site WordPress. See what will happen. We're going to do this. So he also said here that add organization parameter option, command to pass the workspace, okay, or ID you want to associate. So I think this would be good. So he's starting to create a new site. You can also check that here on my Pantheon dashboard. As you can see, I have 1/2, but now I have a 2. So what's that? I have 1 here, the new blog, and the other is still creating, still deploying. Let's go back here. So it takes time to deploy. So I think I need to pause this video. Alright, it's done. Successfully deploying CMS. What's the next step we're going to do is we need to check our new site dashboard. But of course, we need to change this. Okay. And he will give us the tab for our new site. So this is the site, guys. So as you can see, this is the memco site that we name here, so WordPress, and then the machine name. Of course, if you're going to start here, refresh here, I mean, we have our, let's see here, my here, okay, the site name. Okay, we do have our new website, and we're not finished yet here, so let's go back here and let's try again to retrieve the platform of the default. You will need the information, no? You'll need this information to fill out the URL. Okay, I'll go with the flow, with the steps, of course. Forgot the WP and this one. Okay. Okay, so this is the information. So dev info dev memco dash WP. Okay, this is the domain name. So we're going to use that here in the next step. Okay, so copy this one. It's very long, guys. I'll go to change. I'll make changes here. Of course, our name of our site is Memco, and then the core, which is the command for installing our a command for our WCLI core install, and then what's the domain. So this is the domain, guys. We need to copy this one, but we need to copy this one and copy. Okay, I'm going to copy this one. There you go. Remove this. Remove this, and then what else? So we're going to change this, our title. So the default username will be admin, and the password will change it later. Maybe put it this way. And then just email would be okay. Suppose email. Okay, and he will start installing the WordPress itself. Okay, it's successfully installed. What we're going to do right now, as a reminder, CLI command line utilities, Terminus simply pass. So if we have help, want to have a help, this is the command. Now we are going to create a test environment. So maybe we need to check this one, what this command all about. I think it's only a help. So the tips here, guys, in order for us, we don't need to type all the time. If you want to create this as a variable in our system, that would be convenient for us, guys. Okay, as for our demo, I'm going to do this. Okay, what's that name? WP. Okay, and then okay. So let's wait. What's the outcomes? Oh, okay. So like I said, it's only a help, guys. So if you get further with this command with WP, so this is the command, and let's proceed here. So we're going to start creating our environment. Deploy. Test environment. So we have 3 stages. We do have our dev, the second is the test, and the production. Okay, so update, initialize test, so that will be good for me for now, the note. Okay. So this is the what I'm telling you guys, export the site as a variable so that you will not going to type all the time. Okay, so he's deploying right now, cloning. If you're going to visit this, it will install. Admin, still remember password. Okay, so that's it, and I hope that this video will help you guys to develop your WordPress on Pantheon. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.